Hi, this is Jennifer. I'm going to talk a little bit about hydrophobic and hydrophilic molecules. The chart you see here shows on the left hydrophilic molecules, hydro meaning H2O or water, and philic meaning loving. These are ionic compounds. They're polar covalent compounds such as salts and ions. Around your house, you might find common table salt or granulated sugar. On the right, we see hydrophobic molecules, which, again, hydro is water, phobic means fearing or hating. They're covalent, non-polar molecules, oils, fats, lipids, and the like. You might find vegetable oil or something like that around your house. Something in your body also would be something like testosterone. Now, when you talk about them loving or hating water, then you have to ask, well, what does water have to do with it? Well, water is the solvent, H2O. It's hydrogen, two molecules of hydrogen, and one molecule of oxygen. The hydrogen has a positive charge, the oxygen has a negative charge. If we look at this little video here, it'll show us a little bit more about that. We see here sugar being added to a glass of water. As the water is agitated and the molecules are mixed together, the water molecules begin to envelop the sugar molecules as they're attracted to them. Like is attracted to like. The positively charged hydrogen molecules are grabbing a hold of the sugar molecules until they completely surround the sugar molecules. And when they do that, then the sugar is completely dissolved. So that's a hydrophilic molecule. But next would be your hydrophobic molecules, oil and water. And you see water is poured into the glass. Now watch as the oil is added to the glass. Even though the oil is a liquid, it does not mix in because the oil is hydrophobic. It's non-polar, so it does not have a charge, either positive or negative, so it's not attracted to anything, so it doesn't bond with or dissolve in the water. This also will explain why, even though, as we just saw, salt and water will dissolve together, oil and salt will not. Because we know the salt does have a charge. It is polar, but the oil is non-polar. Again, like dissolves like. Water is polar. Hydrogen and oxygen are both polar molecules. Here we see the salt has easily dissolved in the water because both the salt and the water are polar molecules. We'll skip ahead just a little bit. Try and make this go a little faster. We'll show The same kind of salt being added to oil. And even though it was vigorously agitated, the salt did not dissolve at all because the salt is a polar ionic compound and the oil is nonpolar and covalent. Thank you. Have a great day.